Here's a 16-inch SMC 1997 SC16 Table Fan that I got from Sean Marshall. He picked this up at a thrift store for me. Thanks, Sean. This one's just uncommon 16-inch oscillator. I think these are pretty cool. I wish there was such a thing as an 18-inch oscillator. That'd be cool, but I don't believe there is. There's 12 16-inch. I believe they made an 8 and a 6-inch little fan too. I don't know if those ones oscillated, but I remember one of my teachers in middle school and elementary school too had a 6-inch little SMC. But anyways, yeah, he picked this up for me. It's in pretty good shape. These little SMC fans are made by Shell Manufacturing Company Limited in China. They're also sold as Super in Canada. Super Fan Man. He has a bunch of them. So I think I'll like this. But yeah, this is a 16-inch oscillator. It's very quiet, moves a ton of air. Oscillator, don't know if it's messed up or not, because when it's pulled up in the stationary position, it does this. It doesn't click like every other oscillating fan I've ever had. Maybe this one's just different. I don't know. It's in okay shape. The back grill is a little messed up. The front is a little bit messed up in some spots, but it's all right. Nothing that we can't straighten out. I believe this one was recalled for fire hazard, but I'm not sure because it's a 97 model, but I don't know. I think 98 was the year for the recall. Not 100% sure. But anyways, we'll give it a start up on low, and then we'll do it with the oscillation off and then with it on. So here we go. Pushes good air even on low, and it's still really quiet. Do medium. Pushes a lot of air. This feels really nice. Turn on the oscillation on low. Medium. And high. This could easily cool in a large room, no problem. I like the older style of these fans too. Oh, that's good bearings too, for being a sleeve bearing fan. So there's my 16-inch SMC oscillator from 97 from Sean Marshall. Thanks for picking this up for me, buddy. It's a great fan, pushes a lot of air. It's really quiet too for being a 16-inch oscillator. I kind of wish it was pedestal, but this is just as great. And I wish there was an 18-inch one, like I said earlier, but I guess that doesn't exist. If it does, somebody please let me know. Drop a comment below, like this video, subscribe, hit that bell, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.